Students, this is your biology class. So first of all, I am introducing our previous lecture. In a previous lecture, we have done semiotic plants. So first of all, we practice question 4.1, 4.6 and 4.7 on your SP7. So describe the semiotic relationship between two plants using a specific example. So that is, in a first point, explain the relationship between semiotic relationship and two plant using a specific example. So in a first point, explain what a symbiotic relationship. So symbiotic plants are a pair of host and parasites in which parasites get nutrition from host and provides it with some benefits in return. There is a difference from parasite and symbiotic because parasites do not give any benefit into return. So rhizobium and leguminous plant have a symbiotic relationship. Rhizobium depend on the roots of the plant for nutrition. In return, it absorbs the nitrogen present in air and convert into a usable form for the plant. So in question number 4.7, difference between parasite plant and symbiotic plants. So it is very important question. Parasitic plants derive all their nutrition from another host plant. They harm the host plant. For example, cascata. In symbiotic plants are a pair of host and parasite in which parasite get nutrition from host plant, but it also give benefit in return. So they provide some benefit to the host plant. For example, lichen. So students, list the five nutrients. These nutrients are carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamin and minerals. So write the definition of autotroph. What do you mean by autotroph? The plant prepare their own food. And list the different type of heterotrophic plants. So there are parasitic, sporophytics, insectivorous and symbiotics. There are four type of heterotrophic plants which is depend upon partially or fully depend upon other plants or other process to take a nutrition. So list the condition required for photosynthesis. So plant need water, sunlight, carbon dioxide. They obtain water from soil, and leaves trap sun energy using chlorophyll, and carbon dioxide enter leaves through the stomata. So student, that is the review of nutrition in plant. Student, we take a review heterotrophic plants. Why do these plants depend upon other organisms for nutrition? So first of all, parasitic plant. So parasitic plants depend upon other organisms of their nutrition because they do not have chlorophyll to prepare their own food. So that is a reason. Another is insectivorous plant. Insectivorous plants depend upon organisms because they grow in soil and poor in nutrients. So that's why it depend upon another plant. Next one is spirophytic plants. Spirophytic plants depend upon other organisms for nutrition because they grow in the shade, on the forest, at a ground or a floor, and so do not get enough sunlight. So that's why obtained food from another plant. Last one is the symbiotic plant. The symbiotic plant depend upon other organisms for nutrition because they cannot prepare their own food. They depend upon host of nutrition and in turn they beneficially to their host. So student, you have to practice on your SB7 and NCRT questions nutrition in plant. If you have any problem related to these question or in a solution, you have to text me or send me a picture or a screenshot of a question. So now we're going to start digestion. So what are the different type of nutrition we get from food we eat? So what are the different type of nutrition? So carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, minerals. Nutrients, a complex substance. Nutrition present in a food are complex substance. A simple substance is when the complex substance must be broken into simpler substance. So nutrients. The nutrients must be broken into simple substance so that our body can use them for growth, repair, and proper function. So digestion is the breakdown of complex component of food into simpler substance. This is known as digestion. The group of organ involved in providing nutrition is called the digestive system. So students, the digestive tract, the food passes through continuous canal known as digestive tract or alimentary canal. So in this slide I am going to share digestive tract or the alimentary canal. So mouth to processing out, explain or see in this slide. Next one is digestive tract. The digestive tract which start from mouth and end at anus. Start from mouth and end at anus. So students, the digestive system associated glands together constitute the digestive system. So there are some organs: digestive tract, glands, and complete digestive system. So this slide show all process of digestive tract to digestive system. So students, I am going to share a video clip which helps to understand process of digestion, how to our food digest and break down into simple form. So you have to pay attention and listen useful information, and bring your notebook with you and write a keyword important points on your practice notebook.
Neha is so hungry. A bite of sandwich she chews it for some time. This is called digestion. As she chews, her teeth break the sandwich down into smaller pieces, and the tongue mixes them with saliva, which makes swallowing easier. Saliva is a liquid that starts the process of digestion in the mouth itself. It breaks down starch into sugars. This ball-like mixture of food and saliva is called a bolus. The process of digestion has only just started. From the mouth, Neha's food pipe or esophagus moves the bolus down into her stomach by continuously contracting and relaxing its muscles. This process, called peristalsis, also helps food travel throughout the digestive system. In the stomach, the muscular activity mixes the food with hydrochloric acid and digestive juices. But acid is harsh, isn't it? Won't it damage the stomach? Well, the mucous membrane protects the inner lining of the stomach from the effects of the acid. The hydrochloric acid kills any germs that might be present in the food, while the digestive juices break down proteins into smaller molecules. The acid also provides the right conditions for this breakdown to occur. Interestingly, hydrochloric acid doesn't kill the nutrients in the food. From the stomach, the food enters the small intestine, which receives digestive juices from the liver and the pancreas. The liver produces bile, which is sent to the gallbladder for storage. This bile helps break down fats into simpler substances. The pancreatic juices break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. The food now reaches the lower part of the small intestine, where it is mixed with intestinal juice. This completes the breakdown of all food groups into smaller and simpler substances. Small intestine is coiled and very long, almost 7.25 meters. In the small intestine, food is absorbed into the blood vessels. Small structures inside the small intestine, called villi, increase the surface area for absorption. Blood transports these nutrients to different parts of the body in a process called assimilation. Undigested food now enters the large intestine. The function of the large intestine is to absorb water and some minerals. The remaining undigested food is removed from the body through the anus by a process called digestion. Anything we eat goes through this process of digestion. Isn't that amazing?
So students, this is the complete process of digestion. Students, if you have any queries related to today's topic, you have to text me anytime. Thank you.